Hello friends, so this is Kirti and today we are going to cover DSC 1 reading poetry, which we have already started, and I have covered On His Blindness with You by John Milton. And after that I am going to cover composed upon Westminster Bridge, September 3, 1802, by William Wordsworth. So, this poem is written by William Wordsworth. He was a very most renowned writer and he was a romantic poet. Sorry. He was a poet and he was a romantic poet, and we can also say the founder of the romantic era, as romantic era is get started very early, but in the recognition when William Wordsworth came, it was recognized at that time. So the poem, it was also written in Petrarchan sonnet, same as On His Blindness. It contains 14 lines, in which 8 lines were octave, and plus there was 6 lines of sestet, and its rhyming scheme is ABBA CDE. This rhyming scheme you all should know. So this whole poem, this was written in 1807. It was मतलब published हुई थी 1807, and it was in poems in 2 volumes. It was in this volume, which was written by William Wordsworth in 1807, as I have said, in the 3rd edition of his lyrical ballad. So after that, just get and understand the poem. First of all, I have written this summary. I am not going to further describe anything else to you, as in previous video I have made the video which I have made on his blindness, and I have taught after each and every lines very briefly. But today I am just wanted you to first see this summary of the poem, and after that you will be able very good to the introduction or the Westminster Bridge very briefly and very good way. So when this was the poem, William Wordsworth, when he was in London and he was standing on the Thames River. It was a very early time, in the morning time. He saw the view of the London from in at that time in the morning time, and it's look him very good, and in the appreciation of that he wrote this poem. So no sight on earth is more beautiful than the view from Westminster Bridge. Now the poet is saying कोई भी साइट इतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी जैसे वेस्टमिनिस्टर ब्रिज की है. In fact, only some suffering from spiritual deficiency could walk by without noticing the view, which is more emotionally stirring in its all